Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the engine cover on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Using a T20 Torx bit, unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the old cover. Install the new engine cover by aligning it on the housing, then secure it with the screws. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.